Hey guys, so we're going to be looking at iKON's KONY'S Wintertime. This is the Korean version. The Japanese version is in red. I really like this like silver white. It is really pretty. Alright, and of course this bottom is like so bright. And it does have English subtitles for the disc as well, which is probably the behind the scenes of putting this whole thing together, the photo shoot locations and everything. So the Korean version did come with this as an option. I believe it's just like a double-sided postcard. Yeah, which is nice. I love when these things come out at like no cost. So you can choose to get the free standees and stuff like that or not, and it's the same price. So I'm like, of course I'll take the extra freebie. Okay, ugh, let me pull all this out. We're going to start at the bottom and work our way up just so I can kind of put this away as I go. And I'll put a link in the description or make an annotation or whatever to the Japanese version if you want to watch that one and try and see what the differences are. Okay, so at the bottom we start with our photo book. And it's got like a little string so you can bookmark like your favorite photo or whatever. And I'm glad that they did the double, where it's in Korean and English as well. I love these rings. This is starting to look, I think this is the exact same photo book as the Japanese one so far, at least from what I can remember. I'll have to come back through and actually read all of this, because this is kind of cool. It's almost like a little storyboardy type thing. Ice bowling. BI is my favorite. I really want him to have that red hair he had back in there. I think it was Win. It was back when they were competing with Winter to debut. He had that amazing red hair. They did that amazing final performance. Oh, I cry every time I watch it. Surprised Chunwoo's ears aren't more cold. I don't think this is snowboarding. It's more like a sledding. Okay, I'll just put this back in. So I have to figure out a spot. Oh, Bobby. Those like GoPros? Oh. Getting all fancy. Oh, jeez. Oh, Bobby. Should put some gloves on. Oh, jeez. I just love these like sit down interviews where they just like talk about whatever and play funny games. It's always like some of my favorite stuff about like Weekly Idol. That's why it's one of my favorite things. You get to watch some funny games and you get to learn more about them, and when they interview them and do like their profiles or whatever. I love that they have like little pictures behind them from like all different parts of their story. Got music video photos and all kinds of stuff. Oh, that's cute. Hmm. They're doing spa hands. Live long and prosper. Oh, the rings. Oh, that's so cute. They put them on for each other. Or is B.I. putting them on everybody? Oh, he's doing it. I love it. I know 17, I think, has like a ring they all have too. But they wear, like, most of them wear it on their pinky, and it's just weird. Pinky rings, like just a pinky ring, is just weird. But I like theirs. That's really nice. Oh. This must have been when they were at the airport, probably. Oh, they're looking at all the photos. Oh. Ah, Dumb and Dumber. That is really funny. That song just makes me laugh all the time. That must be so nice just to be able to look back at a year in photos. That's why I love taking photos. Because people can always forget things, but a photo is like forever. Oh, I love this. Photos by iKON. I like that. I'd love to see like photo books done by actual members. Because they always seem to get the most candid photos. Because you'll always do something goofy in a photo for a friend than you would anyone else. Credit pages. Alright, so there is the nice thick photo book. Thick, thick, thick. slide that in. Next on the bottom we have their mirror reflective Uber Silver like little planner. So there's like no photos in here till the end. There's just some like faded out ones that look exactly like the ones from like their, it wasn't really like a season's greeting, but it kind of was. It was like a mini one. And it's probably one of my favorite season greetings because everything in it I would use, basically. Because sometimes these season greetings give you just so much of everything. It's like, I'm not going to use it. Just make it less so I can pay less, which is why I loved theirs, because theirs was a really good price too. So there's that. And then next to it is the disc. So we got white. And then it opens up. We got red on the other side. Okay. And then you get these little, oh geez, they're already falling out like little, almost little Polaroids. I do want to get one of those like mini Polaroid cameras. That would be really, really nice. Polaroids, these kind of style Polaroids totally seem to be like an iKON thing. Like all their photo cards and things like that always seem to be like this Polaroid style. Okay. Slide those back in, and then we have in this little silvery box you get this cute little pouch. I love this little pouch. It's all woolly. Oh, I like it. And then you get a silver bookmark. I believe it was like red or green in the Japanese one. Probably red since the box is red. And then you get some stickers, which I'm definitely going to have to use for my Christmas time plan with me. Because these are so adorable. Okay, so let's slide these back in. Ow. Careful of the bottom of that bookmark. It pricks. Okay, and the last item that we get, ooh, there we go, is a folded poster, which I believe is the exact same as the one in the Japanese version, because I remembered it was a photo like this. The back is just a great image of the sleds. Okay, and that is all of it. Ugh. So let me know what your favorite item inside here is. I really liked the pouch. The pouch and the stickers are probably my favorite. I'm very into stickers lately. So anything with stickers, I'm like, yay! But I really, really liked it. Let me know what you guys thought, like I said, in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and until the next video. Bye, guys.